Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Ives here. Please subscribe if you're new and don't forget to tap or click the bell so that you'll be notified each time I upload something new. And today I'm gonna take you to a family apartment tour here in the famous Q1 Resort and Spa. Ta-da! So Q1 is located in Surfers Paradise on the Gold Coast. So this is the entrance, a very shiny floor. There's a door to your left and also sliding doors to your right. I'm going to show you what's inside that door later on the video. Let's proceed. And that's the orchid. And I don't think it's real, but anyway, it's gorgeous. It's so beautiful. And what's inside this big door handle? Oh, no, it's oh, all the switches and vacuum cleaner. At the end of this video, I'm going to tell you how much I paid for this family apartment per night. So keep watching. As you can see, it is a very spacious lounge area. But we can explore the kitchen first. This is good enough for family of four here. It is quite a big table. You can put a lot of food on this table. And I like the chairs the chairs are white color. I really love it. I like white color in the kitchen. Oh, I love the refrigerator as well because it's white and looks clean. I just like white because it looks clean. So that's the refrigerator. It's big enough. It's quite big, especially if you're just on a holiday. You've got everything here. So you've got a microwave, oven, microwave, and all this storage. Oh, glasses. Nice. This is nice. And plates. And cups. What's in here? Oh my goodness, a washing machine and a dryer. It's amazing. Ironing board and iron. I did not expect that at all. Okay, let's close the door. And here, right over here, we got a dishwasher. Ta-da! It's not the full one, but it's good enough if you're just on a holiday. It's good enough. And what's inside this? Cookware. Nice. Okay, over here we've got some tea bags and salt and coffee sachets. You know what it is. looks clean. A rubbish bin and a brush. Although their oven is not updated, but it's not old either. It's just okay. It's been wrapped with tin foil. And what is this? Cutleries, spoons, forks, knives, teaspoons, ladle, and all kitchen stuff. Amazing, it's complete. You can cook here. Oh, there's also a toaster. It's really nice. It's complete. All right, let's move on. Let's carry on. Let's go to the lounge area. It's a very nice lounge area, and the TV is quite big. It's actually at least more than 70 inches, maybe 72 inches. Television, and I like the area. It's very spacious, and a big table, coffee table, or lounge table. It's amazing that they still have this DVD player right here. I think it's a DVD player. It looks like it. Okay, I'm gonna show you the view on this side first. To your right hand corner, it's Vocal Hotel, and down there is the tram station, Surfers Paradise tram station, and a church, synagogue, and Catholic church. I love the view of the mountains. And that building is a Wynnum building. So let's go to the other side. The time is 3 o'clock in the afternoon. 7 past 3 o'clock in the afternoon, to be exact. And it's still springtime, but it is already hot. We're experiencing warm weather for the past few days. Yeah. So next month, beginning of summer, I love the view from here because you can see the ocean and the beach. Let's zoom it in. We actually have a sunroom here with 5 chairs and a square table. This is a place where you can probably have a breakfast or just hang around for some chit chat with your family or friends. I think that area there with the water is the island of Capri, if I'm not mistaken. Probably island of Capri, yeah. Or here. Everywhere you go on the Gold Coast, there's always water. Okay guys, I think we have yet to explore the bedroom. Let's go to the bedroom. I hope I'm not missing anything from the kitchen and the lounge area. I think I've shown you everything. Okay, let's go to the bedroom. It is a queen size bed. It's nicely done. It's tidy, it's clean. And right here, you can see this very stylish light or lamp. Lamp or light. Very stylish. And you can actually adjust the brightness. You can, there's a switch right here where you can adjust. Yep. Not too bright, please. And there are two of those on each side of the bed. There's a telephone, bedside table, and a painting. Oh, yep. The TV screen is also quite big. It's 60 something inches. It's very big. And right here is a walk-in closet, I think. Let's open it up. Ooh. There's an extra pillow. Hangers. Storage. More hangers. And a safe. You can put your valuable stuff right inside here. Oops, sorry about the noise. Okay, here's another door. Going to the bathroom. Ta-da! There you go. Nice looking little bottles. What does it say? Body lotion, bath, shower gel, conditioner, and shampoo. And there's a little soap there. And it's well presented with a, I think that looks like a flower, like a lotus flower. Maybe, but it's a flower, and in the middle there's a tiny soap, well, Q1 soap. Nice. And ta-da! This is the place where you can relax. And that's the shower. And the bathtub is very nice. With jacuzzi, I think. And toilet. And we've got plenty of towels here. 2 towels. And that's the toilet and tissue. And that's the door going into the entrance. Shortcut to the entrance. And I'm gonna show you now what's inside these sliding doors right here, okay? Do you wanna guess what it is? Who can guess what it is? Okay, I'm opening it now. Da, 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 da. Oh. Oh, okay. Ah, it's actually another bedroom. Looks really nice. I think it's queen size bed as well. It's a very nice looking bedroom, but it's not as big as the other one. And the wardrobe is making it look like a big room. Okay, let's open it. Ooh, I like it. You can hang your clothes here. Many clothes. Good for a family of 4. Yeah. And I think I've shown you everything already. So please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching. You stay safe, everyone. God bless. And see you on my next video. Bye. I paid 330 Australian dollars per night, which I think is a very reasonable price.